3 days of rain, 2 days of sickness. Now it's time to get this motor apart so I can get it back together, get back out on the road. What a truck driver has to go through to keep his equipment out there making money. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Battery gave out, and sure you can see. Let me cover this up with this white rag, keep the direct sun off the camera. So it does make it get hot. So yeah, we got it off. Let's show you. While you were away. So here we go. Got that plate off. There are some O-rings. I was wondering if there was. So the leak was coming from over here. So let me see what you're seeing. Okay, yeah, so the leak was coming here. You can see it's wet. And you can see there's an O-ring. So it looks like it's leaking up a little high right there. But the leak wasn't originally coming from there. It was coming down right here. This is where the leak originally started. And then I put epoxy from here all the way up. And the oil leak just moved up, went over the top, started traveling down the head. Not to mention it went down and came out down there. So what probably did it was probably this O-ring here, because that's where it started from. So yeah, we're down to that. Have to change that seal, of course. Get the seal tool, and this bearing that was in here was showing copper. I don't know if I had the camera going at that time. It should be this one, this big one. See that? Showing copper. So that was the only one showing copper. The rest are showing the color they were when they were new. This one here has got a little bit of wear on it, not much. I'm going to call and check on bearings for that, especially for that center one. And another thing, I need to find out why them timing marks weren't matching up. So the bottom one on the crank was off by about a tooth or two. And then this mark here is 11 marks away from that timing mark. So I don't get it. 11 teeth away, not marks. So again, I put epoxy all the way around the edge, and the oil just moved out below and moved out on the top, and it was all over the side of the motor. So that's what this is about. And doing this job, when it was overhauled, when they overhauled it, they didn't do the front of the motor. They just replaced the head, the liners. And I'm not sure if they did the water pump. Probably should take this part too, check thermostats. Maybe I should check on getting a water pump. Getting all new hoses. Any ones that need to be replaced. So, yeah, gotta get this dude ready. 1 week down, 2 weeks to go. I wanted this job to not take me more than